So these are two interesting little souvenirs that we got yesterday. They're called hand boilers, and it gives the appearance of the liquid in there rising to the top and boiling when you put your hand on the bottom. So let's do it with this one first. If we hold that, you can see the liquid rises up, goes to the top. See if we can get that in focus. Come on. So what's happening there is the heat from my hand is causing the gas at the bottom or inside the glass to expand, and then that pushes the liquid all the way to the top, and then the remaining gas is pushing up, making it look like it's bubbling away. It's quite a neat effect. So let's try it with the other one. Most of it's gone up there. And then if you wanted to go back down on the top, you can see it bubbling away down at the bottom now. These were about £8 in the gift shop. Do that with this one.